In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate and use Weebly.com to create and manage your own website. Whether you're hoping to build a free site or an online store, this guide will take you through the essential steps to get started and make the most out of Weebly's user-friendly platform. First, let's head over to Weebly's website by entering Weebly.com in your browser's search bar. This will take you to the home page of their free website builder. Weebly is widely appreciated for its intuitive design, making it an excellent choice for beginners and experienced users alike. Once you're on the home page, you should see options for signing up or logging in if you already have an account. We'll focus on logging in today. Go ahead and click on the Login with Google button. This feature provides a quick and secure way to access your account without the need for additional passwords. Simply choose the Google account you'd like to use and you'll seamlessly sign into Weebly. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Look for the button that says Edit Site and click on it. This will take you into the editor where you can customize and manage your website. Now, you might notice a pop-out or a pop-up window trying to get your attention. These are usually tips or notifications from Weebly. Feel free to close it by clicking the X on that pop-out. This will clear up your workspace and allow you to focus on the task at hand. From here, you can navigate over the page you wish to edit. Just use your mouse to scroll through and click on any section you'd like to modify. One of Weebly's greatest features is its drag and drop functionality. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a variety of elements you can add to your site, such as text, images, and videos. Simply drag the desired element to the right spot on your page, and it will seamlessly integrate into your layout. If you find a piece of text you'd like to change, just click directly on it. A text editor will pop up, allowing you to make changes to the font, size, color, and more. You can personalize the site to match your vision and brand identity effortlessly by tweaking these elements. Finally, after making these adjustments, don't forget to save your progress. In Weebly, this can be done by clicking the X button located in the top left corner. This confirms your changes and updates your live site, making them visible to your visitors. And there you have it. You've just learned how to start editing your website on Weebly, taking it one step closer to perfection. Don't hesitate to explore further, experiment with different elements, and truly make the website your own. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.